As fast fashion and customization boom, how can traditional assembly lines break through bottlenecks? Traditional assembly lines rely on manual coordination, result in energy waste, fragmented workflows, and annual losses of energy consumption, labor costs, and order compensation claims, draining significant profits. Sunrise Hanger System optimizes material flow and process coordination via real-time AI data trusted by 5,000-plus global clients. Smart Hanger System cut energy use by 30%, boost efficiency 40%, and reduce rework by 18% via AI quality control verified by Sunrise global clients. From fashion weeks to OEM manufacturers, the Sunrise Hanger System enables one-click style changes with stable rate material flow, while fully complying with green and intelligent manufacturing requirements. Sunrise offers free intelligent transformation services for entire clothing factories. Follow us to unlock your exclusive cost-saving and efficiency-boosting solutions.